What if I told you this 1967 Dodge Coronet Pro Street isn't just a muscle car, it's a street-dominating, head-turning 392 HEMI monster that will make every car in sight wish it never saw the light of day. Stick around, because what you're about to see isn't just a car, it's an experience. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because today we've got something truly special. Feast your eyes on this 1967 Dodge Coronet Pro Street, a car that doesn't just turn heads, it commands attention, and I'm about to show you why. At first glance, this Coronet immediately grabs you. Its silver metallic paint gleams under the lights, highlighting every perfect contour of its classic 1967 body. The lines are clean, the stance is aggressive, and you can already feel the raw energy waiting to explode beneath the hood. But this isn't just a pretty face. Oh no, this is a rowdy, street-legal Pro Street monster, and every inch of it has been built with one goal in mind: power, performance, and pure American muscle nostalgia. Let's pop the hood and see what's hiding under this full fiberglass tilt hood. Right here we have the heart of the beast, a rebuilt 392 HEMI V8. And when I say rebuilt, I don't mean just fresh paint and spark plugs. This engine is fully upgraded with hot heads aluminum intake manifold, dual oil filter relocation kit, and a Mallory distributor with MSD ignition box. Everything about it screams precision engineering. The chrome tubular upper control arms and chromed accessories aren't just for show. They tell you this engine was built to perform as hard as it looks. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission with a manual valve body, this Coronet gives you the perfect combination of old-school muscle feel with modern control. It shifts smooth but responds instantly when you're ready to launch down the strip. And with a Dana rear axle featuring 430 gears and strange axles, this car puts every ounce of that HEMI power to the pavement without hesitation. Safety, they didn't skip it. This build features a roll cage with a removable driver door bar, Simpson belts, and overhead shutoff and fan switches. So while you're getting all the thrills of a Pro Street car, you're doing it in a package designed to keep you safe. A perfect mix of adrenaline and peace of mind. Now let's step inside. The interior is vinyl perfection, giving you that authentic muscle car feel while remaining practical and clean. Check out the 3-gauge stack under the dash. Everything you need to monitor the beast under the hood is right there at your fingertips. The floor shifter adds that classic muscle car control, and every detail from the headliner to the upholstery shows meticulous care. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you experience. Every inch of the cabin reminds you that this is more than just transportation. It's heritage, history, and performance in one powerful package. But the real magic happens when you fire it up. That first roar of the 392 HEMI V8 hits you like a lightning bolt. It's loud, it's commanding, it's unapologetically American. And when you press the throttle, the custom rear air shocks and upgraded suspension make every launch feel smooth yet ferocious. Front and rear disc brakes give you the stopping power you need so you can tame the beast safely when you decide to let it rip. Driving this Coronet is more than just driving. It's a full sensory experience. The engine growls, the tires grip, and the vibrations through the chassis remind you that you're connected to over 50 years of muscle car history. This car is a statement, whether you're rolling down the street at a cruise night, hitting the track, or just showing it off in your driveway. The 1967 Dodge Coronet Pro Street announces itself like nothing else can. And let's talk rarity. With 29,176 miles on it, this isn't a high-mileage relic. This is a meticulously maintained, collector-ready Pro Street Coronet. The combination of modern performance upgrades with classic 1967 styling makes it a car that's not just about speed, it's about legacy. Every curve, every polished detail, every chrome accent is a nod to an era when muscle cars ruled the roads and the strip. At $42,995, this car represents not just a purchase, but an investment in American automotive excellence. It's the kind of car that makes your heart race just standing next to it, and the kind that makes people stop and stare when you take it out. Whether you're a collector, a muscle car enthusiast, or someone who simply wants the ultimate Pro Street experience, this Coronet is exactly what you've been dreaming of. So here's the deal. Don't just watch videos of muscle cars. Don't just dream about owning one. Experience it, feel it, and maybe even take it home. This 1967 Dodge Coronet Pro Street is waiting for someone who appreciates the power, the craftsmanship, and the legacy of one of America's most iconic muscle cars. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you loved this car as much as I did, smash that like button, leave a comment telling me what you think about this insane Pro Street build, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our future muscle car deep dives. And trust me, you're going to want to see what we've got coming up next. Until then, keep your foot on the gas, keep your eyes on the classics, and I'll see you in the next video.